Friends, today we are going to discuss about a very essential point, that is time. We all know that time is very important in our life, and it is said that time is money. So it is, we have understood this, that how the time is important, and the pandemic, corona pandemic, has also provided us the importance of time, that what things we have to follow, do's and don'ts during this period, and also we have the discipline to complete our work in given time. So we must have to follow the planning. We must have the complete schedule in front of us, that we have to carry out these activities in this period. Otherwise, we have to face number of difficulties in our day-to-day life that we have observing, and we have experiencing it also because of this corona pandemic. So friends, today we are going to learn about a very beautiful poem by Robert Herrick, To the Virgins to Make Much of Time, the importance of time. So the God has provided us this life, and the motive of this life, what we have to do in this particular given time. For what purpose the Almighty, the God, has provided me this precious life? What is the ultimate aim of my life? Considering this, we have to plan out the structure of our life. We have to decide, we have to provide the priorities, and according to that, we have to carry out our activities and make planning of the things that we have to carry out. And if we follow this discipline, then and then only our future is going to be secure. Otherwise, one cannot provide the guarantee that what difficulties we have to face. So, time is very important. That's why it is given, or it is said, that a proverb is that time is money. So, we have to consider, and we have to properly utilize the time. So the same point has pointed out by Robert Herrick in this poem. So who is this Robert Herrick? Robert Herrick was born in 1591 and died in 1674, was a 17th century English lyric poet and cleric, best known for his book of poems Hesperides, which was published in 1648. He wrote over 2,500 poems during his lifetime, half of which appear in his collection. Herrick loved the rich sensuality and variety of human life. He was influenced by classical Roman poetry and wrote on pastoral theme dealing with the life in the English countryside and village customs. The Victorian poet Swinburne described Herrick as, I quote, the greatest songwriter ever born of the English race. I unquote. What makes his poems popular even today is that they are easier to understand than the poems of most of his contemporaries. So these are the qualities of Robert Herrick's writing literary style, that the ideas that he want to convey to the audience is simply provided in front of the audience with the help of the poems, with the help of songs that he composed. About the poem now. The poem To the Virgins to Make Much of Time is taken from Hesperides and thematically belongs to a class of poems referred to as the Carpe Diem poems. Those poems focus on the shortness of human life and echo the message of immediacy, the shortness of human life. So, what is the lifespan of our right now? If we have to foresee or experience such type of pandemics, then definitely one cannot guarantee But in an averagely, we can say that now our lifespan is of 60 to 70 years. So 60 to 70 years is a very short period of life, because we spend our life early 30 years to achieve education and to get settled. Means after that we have our families, we have another responsibilities, and when we are going to think about the society. So the last 10 years of span, at that time we are going to suffer from various types of diseases, and if such type of pandemic is going to be there, then no one is going to provide you the guarantee that how much life you have in your hand. So the poet Robert Herrick advises to be immediate, to do the hurry, to complete your dreams, to fulfill your dreams. So for that purpose we have to utilize the time properly. They encourage people to make the best use of the time available to them and the opportunities that come their way. So the opportunity, it is a well-known saying that the opportunity knocks only once. The opportunity is going to be there, but for that purpose you have to open your doors. And also it is very important that you have to recognize the opportunity, and not only to recognize it, but you have to grab that opportunity in the right time. So for that purpose you have to recognize it. So I will read out the poem, To the Virgins to Make Much of Time. Gather ye rosebuds while ye may, old time is still a flying, and this same flower that smiles today, tomorrow will be dying. The glorious lamp of heaven, the sun, the higher he is a getting, the sooner will his race be run, and nearer he is to setting. That age is best which is the first, when youth and blood are warmer. But being spent the wars and boast, times still succeed the former. Then be not coy, but use your time, and while ye may, go marry. For having lost but once your prime, you may forever tarry, you may forever tarry. So this is the poem, To the Virgins to Make Much of Time. That the message the poet wants to give with the help of this poem, that you have to hurry in your life, because the span you have received, the precious time you have received, you have provided by the God, that this is the life, and it is in your hands, that you have to make it golden. You have to properly utilize this chance of life by doing good deeds for the welfare of society, or you have to ruin it. It is in your hands. So do hurry and properly utilize the time for the sake and welfare of the humanity and mankind. So this is the message that the Robert Herrick wants to give to the youths, to the virgins. Thank you so much.